Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alyssa and I build Lego sets as well as fun lifestyle type videos. So today's going to be another Saturday series. I thought I would do a little update on my Lego shelves and the new Lego sets I've made, kind of talk about the new helmets I've gotten, put everything on the shelves. I also added another shelf to the bottom, so we're going to kind of rearrange some things. So that's kind of the plan. Before we get started, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to be updated on my future videos. So I'm going to start with my new helmets. I'm going to put them all the way at the top up there. I've gotten quite a few since the last time, so we'll kind of go through them. So the first one is going to be Commander Cody's helmet. And then we have this Captain Enoch. I think this one looks so cool. And we have a fighter pilot. And then we have Commander Wolf. And then the next one is a Death Trooper. And we have Crosshairs. And then we have an original Stormtrooper. Okay, so that's it for all of the new helmets I have. There's only one of them that was part of the Black series. The rest of them were just like random brands, but I thought they were pretty cool. So I'm very glad to have added them to my collection. So now we're gonna put the Legos that I've done recently on the shelves and like reorganize. So I guess I'll kind of show you guys my new ones and then I'll figure out where I want to put them. Okay, so first we have our little Droideka. And then we have the invisible hand. And we have a little Ahsoka. We have another one of the helmets. This is Rex. I love how this one turned out. And then we have a little R2-D2. Okay, I think we're done setting everything up. So I think everything turned out pretty cool. Everything looks pretty good. So I think that's kind of it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.